folks, welcome in again to another video. As you can see, it's not technology related, it's just a standard hunting knife. It's a Replica Rambo 2 knife. Not an official, not an officially licensed product, but it's a replica. It's as good as, in my opinion. It measures in at around about, I think it's 15 inches, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Let's get me a little measure out. Yeah, 15 inches. I got this from a company called zombieblades.co.uk. Bought it back in March of 2020, or was it April? No, March. It was when Liverpool Comic Con was on, just before all this fucking COVID-19 shit started. So it won't be getting used as a hunting knife, and it won't be leaving the house. It got sent via Royal Mail, and so I won't be doing any review on its capabilities, but I will open it up and show you the little survival kit inside, and just basically just go around some of the features of the knife, which, you know, looking at it, there's not many really, is there? So yeah, we'll crack on with this one then. Right, just before I open it up and see what's inside, I'll just take you around the knife. Not that there's much way to take you around. You've got your standard Rambo 2, which is just, as I say, it's not an official product, so it's just a little stamp. It's not a sticker, it's just, you know, stuck on. You've got your very sharp blade, serrated edge, which is also sharp. I'm assuming that's for sawing your willy off. I think Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead. Could possibly use that to crack nuts, or maybe small mice. Bang, bang, bang. You've got rope, string around here. It's not slippy, and it's not. It's nice, just quite nice actually. Yeah. You've got this for the slaughter of tarantulas. Fuck off. Fuck off. Yep. Can be used for anything else, I suppose. Little hole through the middle, where I suspect you put some sort of lanyard. So yeah, that is it. Comes in a nice leather sheath. It smells like leather. Doesn't say it's leather, but we'll go with leather, eh? Right, we'll open it up and I'll show you the survival kit inside. Right, on the inside is your, well, is it a survival kit? I don't know. I don't remember Rambo having one in a little plastic case like that. Anyway, it's got a little standard north, south, east, west compass underneath, just in case you fucking lose where you're going. Spring loaded. Don't know why. So anyway, I'll open this. I'll open this up and I'll get a closer look. I've also had to put a bit of light, artificial light in, because the sun is wreaking havoc with exposure settings. So I've closed the blind, put a little light on. Happy days. See you in a minute. Right, I'm removing the little plastic holder. If I can get into this bag. Let's see what we have. Right, I've got a bag. There you go. We have a plaster, which probably seen better fucking days. No, I can still use that. I suppose if you need to use it, you need to use it. Sandpaper for the matches. Needle and cotton, in case you jump off a fucking massive cliff when the cops are chasing you and you cut your fucking arm open. So that's what that's for. And I'm assuming that's the whatever to sew yourself up with. Or to catch some fish maybe, because there's a little fishing hook in there as well. Yeah. So this is all that you need to survive in the world now. So yeah, that's it really. Nothing else to say about it. Just leaves me to say, cheers for watching, and this guy wants to say something.
Murdoch, I'm coming to get you.